Hi everyone, my name is Patty Bellali, and I'm going to be your instructor for Advanced CPR, BLS, this semester. And since I'm going to be with you for this semester, I thought it would be fun to get to know each other. So I'm going to let you know a little bit about myself. I've actually already been a student here at Pasadena City College. Quite a few years ago, I was a student athlete here. I played basketball here while I was doing my 2-year stint, and then I transferred out and got my bachelor's degree from Long Beach State. I got my bachelor's in kinesiology and physical education with an emphasis in athletic trainer. Yes, I am an athletic trainer, so I also run the sports medicine clinic here on Pasadena City College campus, and so that's kind of where a lot of my experience comes from, is that first responder aspect of the athletic training world and the sports medicine world. I also went on to get my master's at Azusa Pacific University. My master's is in education. And then a few years ago, I also went back and got my yoga teacher training certificate. So I do teach yoga as well, just a little fun fact. I teach CPR at all the levels through American Red Cross and American Heart Association, and I think it gives me a little bit of insight into the differences between the two and why there's differences between the two. And here through this class, this semester, we actually teach the BLS through the American Heart Association. And teaching CPR is one of my favorite things because you just never know who you're going to need it for and when you're going to be able to use those skills. But when you do get to use those skills, you find that it's really important, especially because most of the time research has shown you need those skills for friends or family members. So it just makes it a little bit more real. A little bit about me personally. I have a family. I have twin daughters. They're 6 years old and they're in kindergarten now. So that's tons of fun. We live here in Pasadena with my husband. And before I was an athletic trainer here at the community college, I was an athletic trainer at a high school for about 5 years. And then afterwards, I ended up here at Pasadena City College, which is, like I said, near and dear to my heart. And I'm excited to be back even after all these years because Pasadena and Pasadena City College just hold a special place in my heart because of everything that I got out of the school, and my experiences here were always memories that I cherish. So hopefully during this class, you start to build memories here through the community that we start to build online, and you'll start to feel that same connection. So feel free to reach out to me on anything related to CPR or otherwise. Yoga is good too. And I look forward to working with all of you this semester. Bye.